Stop. Are you coming up short on your retirement funds? Is the economy just eating up every dollar you've saved until now? If you're a woman over 50 and you thought you had your nest egg secured but found out the economy was going to wipe it out, what are you going to do? Hi, I'm Deborah. I'm half of the Saoirse Group. I'm married. I got 2 kids, grown kids. I got 1 grandkid. I've flipped houses. I've run nonprofits. But as I've gotten closer to retirement, I've realized I don't have enough money in the bank. We can't have the retirement that we wanted with what we've saved. And it's not piddling. We've saved a good bit. But we don't want to be 100 when we retire. We want to retire now so we can move closer to the grandbaby. Anyway, I found this digital marketing program that's been great. It's no tech. You don't have to know how to do anything. It's a plug and play. They give you videos, like 5-minute videos that says, open this tab, click this button, write this word, move forward. So easy. If I can do it, you can do it. And you don't have to be worrying about your retirement dollars anymore. If you want to find out more, write retirement in the comments. Thanks.